You want to eat French fries?
Yeah.
Do you like French fries?
Yes.
Okay, Daddy make you French fry, okay?
Okay.
Do you like the French fry? Oh, can I have one?
Yeah.
Thank you. I know you like the French fry. You like it? You wanna share with brother and mommy?
No.
Oh, yes, baby. Oh, yes, baby. Oh, yes, baby. Baby, you got a French fry.
Is that not a picture?
Yeah, it's for sister. What are you drawing?
I draw Mickey Mouse.
Oh, you draw the Mickey Mouse?
Yes.
Okay. Now the French fry is ready for you. Eat it, okay? You can wait a little bit, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, we got it. We got a French fry. And we already have some over here. You eat the French fry? Say good.
Good.
Very good? You don't want to share with mommy?
Let's share mommy.
Only brother? Oh, okay, okay. No mommy, only brother.
No, mommy, are you ready?
Okay. Okay, you eat it all, okay?
Okay.
Do you want more?